Welcome to a new video from the Color Vistas brand. Today we're diving into a question a lot of sublimation crafters ask. Why is my sublimation blurry? I know how frustrating it can be when your designs don't turn out crisp and clear, but don't worry, we're going to break down the common causes and how you can fix them. Let's jump right into it. What are the common causes of blurry sublimation prints? There are several reasons why your sublimation prints might appear blurry. Some of the most common causes include incorrect pressure. During the heat transfer process, not applying enough pressure can lead to blurry or incomplete designs. Too much pressure, on the other hand, can distort the image or cause ink to bleed. You'll need to find the right balance for your specific project. Excessive heat. While heat is essential for sublimation, too much of it can damage the substrate and cause the design to blur. Ensure that your heat press is set to the correct temperature for the type of material you're working with. Low-quality sublimation paper. Not all sublimation paper is created equal. Poor quality paper can cause the ink to spread or not transfer properly, leading to blurry prints. Investing in high-quality paper can make a huge difference. Printer settings. Fine-tuning for sublimation. Clarity. Your printer settings play a crucial role in the quality of your sublimation prints. To avoid blurry designs, follow these tips. Print head cleaning. Sublimation ink can clog print heads over time, especially if the printer isn't used regularly. Make sure to run a cleaning cycle before any big project to ensure smooth ink flow. Optimize your settings. Always print in the highest quality setting to get the sharpest results. Avoid using fast print modes as they can compromise print clarity. Adjust for sublimation ink. Sublimation printing requires specific adjustments to your printer settings. If you haven't already, create a preset for sublimation printing to make sure your prints are optimized for this process. Now, let's discuss moisture issues, a hidden culprit. Moisture can seriously mess with your sublimation prints, causing them to blur. Here's how to avoid moisture-related problems. Pre-press your substrates. Pre-pressing your items before transferring the design can help remove any moisture from the material, preventing the ink from bleeding during the transfer. Keep your work environment dry. Humidity can impact your sublimation process. Make sure your workspace is well ventilated and dry, and store your sublimation paper in airtight bags to keep moisture out. Great! Now let's move on to the importance of proper adhesion and alignment. Ensuring that your sublimation paper stays in place during the pressing process is critical for preventing blurring. Use heat-resistant tape. This tape keeps your sublimation paper in place during pressing, which prevents movement and ghosting. Be sure to secure all sides of your paper. Try spray adhesives. For fabrics or surfaces where tape might not work well, spray adhesives can be a good alternative. Just be sure to apply an even coat and let it become tacky before pressing. Next up, substrate quality and image sharpness. The material you're sublimating onto plays a huge role in the clarity of your prints. Poly-coated surfaces. Always use poly-coated surfaces for the best results. These materials are specifically designed for sublimation and provide a smooth surface for your design to transfer onto. Polyester fabrics. For garments, using 100% polyester or a high polyester blend ensures that your prints are sharp and vivid. The lower the polyester content, the less vibrant your print will be. Post-press practices for crisp prints. Keep watching. Even after the pressing process, there are steps you can take to maintain clarity. Cool your items properly. Let your items cool down evenly to prevent the ink from migrating or spreading after pressing. Rapid or uneven cooling can cause blurring in your final print. Handle with care. Once your item is done, handle it carefully to avoid damaging the freshly transferred design. Let it sit undisturbed for a few minutes before touching. Now it's time for troubleshooting specific issues. If your prints are still blurry despite following these steps, here are some specific troubleshooting tips. Ghosting or double images. This is usually caused by the sublimation paper shifting during the press. Secure your paper tightly and make sure the press isn't too loose. Banding or streaks. Banding often occurs due to clogged print heads or low ink levels. Regular maintenance of your printer will help resolve this. Thanks for watching this video. I hope these tips help you achieve clear, vibrant sublimation prints. I will post links for great sublimation products in the description where applicable. Don't forget to visit my website for more in-depth sublimation guides. See link in the description below. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video.